The 2027 Ferrari Amalfi is a refined Grand Tourer inspired by Italy's stunning coastline, designed for elegant, relaxed performance. As the successor to the Roma, it features a front-mounted twin-turbo V8 producing 631 horsepower, delivering smooth throttle response and thrilling acceleration. Reaching 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, it balances speed with comfort rather than track focus. Its sleek design includes classic proportions, a clean front face, and an active rear spoiler. Inside, the 2+2 cabin offers improved practicality, modern technology, and the welcome return of physical steering wheel buttons, making every coastal drive feel special. The 2027 Ferrari Positano feels like a dream shaped into metal, a car imagined not just for roads but for emotions. From the first glance, it carries an effortless elegance, as if it belongs to the coastline it is named after. The body flows smoothly, with curves that feel sculpted by wind and water rather than machines. Light glides across its surface, revealing depth and motion even when it stands still. It does not shout for attention. Instead, it draws you in quietly, confidently, like a work of art that knows its own value. As you approach, the car seems alive, low and wide, grounded yet graceful. Every line serves a purpose, not only for performance, but for beauty. The design feels timeless rather than trendy, hinting at speed without aggression. It gives the impression that it could be driven slowly along a coastal road just as naturally as it could surge forward on an open highway. The Positano feels balanced before the engine even starts. Opening the door reveals an interior that feels intimate and luxurious without excess. The cabin wraps around the driver, creating a sense of connection rather than isolation. Materials feel carefully chosen, soft where comfort matters and firm where control is needed. The seats hold you gently but securely, encouraging long drives and spirited moments alike. Every surface feels intentional, crafted to engage the senses without distraction. It feels like a place where time slows down, even though speed is always waiting. When the engine awakens, the sound is smooth, rich, and emotional. It is not just noise, it feels like a voice with character. The tone rises with elegance, promising excitement without chaos. Pressing the accelerator brings an immediate response, clean and fluid, as if the car understands your intentions before you fully express them. Acceleration feels strong but refined, building power in a way that feels natural and addictive rather than overwhelming. On the road, the Positano moves with a rare sense of harmony. Steering feels light yet precise, offering constant feedback without fatigue. The car flows through corners like a dancer, maintaining balance and grace even at higher speeds. It does not fight the road. It reads it, adapts to it, and glides over it. Every turn feels smooth, every straight feels alive, and every moment behind the wheel feels intentional. One of the most remarkable qualities of the 2027 Ferrari Positano is how effortlessly it adapts to mood. In calm moments, it becomes a relaxed companion, comfortable, quiet, and composed. It invites you to enjoy the scenery, the sound of the engine settling into a gentle rhythm, the feeling of control without urgency. But when the road opens up and the driver demands more, the Positano transforms instantly. Throttle response sharpens, the chassis feels tighter, and the car becomes alert, ready to perform with passion and precision. The connection between driver and machine feels deeply emotional. The Positano does not feel like a tool, it feels like a partner. Every input is answered clearly, honestly, and smoothly. There is confidence in how it grips the road, reassurance in how it responds under pressure. Even at higher speeds, it remains composed, never feeling nervous or unpredictable. This creates trust, and trust allows joy to flourish. Sound plays a major role in the experience. The engine note evolves as speed increases, building into a rich, exhilarating soundtrack that enhances every drive. It does not rely on artificial drama. It feels authentic, mechanical, and alive. The sound reflects the car's personality, passionate but refined, powerful yet controlled. It becomes part of the memory of the drive, something that stays with you long after the road ends. The Positano is not only about performance, it is about atmosphere. Driving it feels cinematic, as if every journey becomes a scene from a film. Sunlight through the windshield, the road stretching ahead, the engine humming in perfect harmony. It all combines into an experience that feels larger than the destination. The car encourages you to drive not because you need to, but because you want to. There is a sense of freedom built into its character. The Positano feels made for long coastal drives, mountain roads, and open highways where the horizon feels endless. It invites exploration, rewarding curiosity with excitement and comfort in equal measure. No matter where it goes, it carries an aura of elegance and confidence that feels unmistakably special. Technology within the car supports the experience rather than controlling it. Systems work quietly, enhancing safety and performance without interrupting the emotional connection. The driver remains at the center of everything, with the car acting as an extension of their intentions. It feels modern but never cold, advanced but never complicated. The 2027 Ferrari Positano represents a philosophy of driving that values feeling as much as speed. It is not obsessed with numbers or records. It is focused on how the car makes you feel in each moment. It celebrates the joy of movement, the beauty of design, and the timeless pleasure of driving something truly special. In the end, the Positano is more than a car. It is a moment, a mood, a memory waiting to happen. It captures the romance of the road, the thrill of performance, and the elegance of Italian-inspired artistry. Every drive feels personal. Every journey feels meaningful. The 2027 Ferrari Positano does not just take you somewhere. It reminds you why you love the drive itself.